Alright, so basically I wind up going through CFM to get a valve cover breather, oil cap breather, and to run on my turbo. And instantly there was a complete idle difference. Alright, so as you can see, there's one and two, and then I ran this one around. I know, don't worry about the hose. I had to do a a little demo to see if it even worked, but nonetheless it does. So I'm going to buy a line that's going from there to that valve cover, so I can stop having smoke in here and stop having smoke inside the engine bay. But yeah, everything is working well right now. CFM definitely came through. It's working. I'm telling you, the idle is so much better right now, and I'll show you in the car. I had a little idle issue. It'll fluctuate here and there between 9 to 7 to 6, but as you can tell, it barely fluctuates. That's just because of my cam, but I mean it was fluctuating a lot, hitting almost a 5, coming back up sometimes. But yeah, so that's today's little quick install. It cost me about 84 bucks. Screwed in, took the oil cap off, and no issues. There's the check valve involved, so you don't have to worry about something getting in or anything like that. So but yeah, so on to the next one.